Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? So guys, now I'm gonna have Sri Sai Baba Prasadam in Sri Sai Baba Prasadalaya. So here you can have lunch or breakfast whatever from morning 9 to night 11. They'll serve food here. So Prasadam Annadanam. So Prasadam. So I'm going there. You can see Prasadalaya. So I'll show you exactly what and all they'll give in prasadam. So I'll taste it and I will tell you. Seriously, guys, I have next level craving some proper food. It's been almost 1 month I had proper food because in Maharashtra, no, like I can't eat like this Maharashtrian food because yesterday I had in Panchavati, thali in dal they mix sugar. When I had, I was like, seriously, in dal sugar, how is it possible? So that's why I have cravings. At least today I'll eat some proper food. So let me cross this road. I park my bike there. Here you can park your vehicles. Pay and park option is there wherever you go in Shirdi. So just now I came inside. Wow, you can see such a nice statue over there. Wow, Sai Baba statue is cooking some food with hand. A statue is there. And one more thing, guys, I'm taking separate special prasadam because the crowd is literally more. So I thought to take special darshanam. So I have to pay just 50 rupees. So if you pay 50 rupees, they'll arrange separate for you prasadam and all. One hall. People who are taking this special darshanam and all, you can see Sai Baba statue. How nice it is. Wow, it's really good. I want one picture here with this.
So can you click on photo? One photo, can you click? हाँ इधर इधर से Thanks.
So now I'll go inside. Where? I have to show this token, I think. They can code. Okay, special. Oh my god, so many people are there. Here also in queue. So finally I came inside, guys. It's been almost half an hour. If I take special, prasadam also, it's been half an hour I was waiting in that queue. Finally I came here, whatever. I'm very excited to, taste this prasadam, Sai Baba prasadam. You can see social distancing. So it's aloo curry and dal and sambar. Looks really yummy. And next, so chapati. Oh my god, see the size. It is almost like my plate size each chapati. 2 chapati they gave and white rice. Seriously, these chapati are really big. Yeah. They gave papad also and some sweet. I think it's a kesari and onions. So finally here you can see prasadam, Sri Sai Baba prasadam. What all they are giving, I'll taste and I'll tell you guys. It's damn good. After a long time I had, guys, this kind of proper meal. Very happy, very happy. It's really damn good. So let me taste this, rice and dal. It's a sambar. Thank God, after a long time I'm having white rice and with dal. Really, these days I have cravings, guys. Thank God, finally I am having proper meal after a long time. It's really damn good. Very happy, guys. something, this taste is completely different and it's really good. So finally here we'll taste this sweet kesari. I'll tell you, this is kesari we'll call. It's really so sweet, really good. I'm done. So I had such a nice meal guys, Sai Baba Prasadam. You can see everywhere social distancing, that's why they maybe like they're not allowing everyone in once. So such a nice meal. Again I'm telling you, if you wanna take special prasadam, you have to pay just 50 rupees and no need to stand so many hours in queue if it is peak season maybe. So otherwise maybe it will be free. So maybe today I have seen so many people there standing on the queue. So that's why I took 50 rupees the token. See, still so many people are coming. All these people should wait. If they take any token also, they have to wait in the queue. So better, I think, if possible, take 50 rupees token and you can go very fast. Otherwise, if there is no crowd, means you can go for free prasadam also. So both options are there. You can go for free prasadam. Everything will be same, food, everything will be same. The only thing is no need to stand in the queue. Bye bye guys, take care.